Hi traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to discuss with you Forex situation. I'm a trader. I do trade technical reasons. I don't expect some news and I don't buy gold or silver or anything because of the news list. I only do actions when I understand them technically. It's not an easy job, come on, but if you want to understand why I do this, you're welcome to stay here and watch my videos from the beginning to the end, because on daily basis I make videos with a boring explanation all the time. Those are lessons, free lessons that you can take from my videos. Only practical things are important, not to discuss possibility, but just the entering point and why we enter it. Please listen to my trading ideas and listen to my points that I'm telling you. For example, the close price is under the level on this kind of chart, and it means that you can go to that side. Please, okay? Listen to every word I say, because I translate what I have in my head for many years as a trader, and I hope it will help you to earn money. Press thumbs up under the video and I wish you huge profits, guys. So why I decided to make this video today on January 31st? Because this is the end of a month. And tomorrow we are going to get the beginning of a new month. And when we are in between two months, volatility may change. And the tendency that you see today may not last for tomorrow, because when the one candle is closing, the month candle is closing, on the next day we get news every first trading day of a new month. We get PMI from all over the world. And it means that the huge volatility comes to us because traders and investors are trying to understand what to do with currencies right now due to the fact of PMI in the world and PMI in China and PMI in America and so on. By the way, today's PMI in China, they already published it, is really good. And it's a sign for us that tomorrow American dollar may go lower. Because usually for like last 12 years, I would say, okay, 7 years at least, it works like this. If China data is bad, in the same day, American dollar is going up. If information from China is getting a good one, so there is a good statistical information, on this good statistical information, the same day when this information was published, American dollar goes down. So, good information from China, dollar goes down. Bad information from China, dollar goes up. That's how it works, but usually it happens on American session and closer to Asian session trading. I hope you understand what that is. If you don't, please Google it, okay? I wish you profits, and let's go to see the technical picture. For American dollar index today on January 31st, we can see that on daily chart, price is going up. Does it mean that it will go up forever? It's not a rebound yet. It's just a technical support that I paid your attention to. This technical support since May 2022, which is important, that market stops here. It was a China New Year period. It is a period before PMI, and there is no hard statistical data that we should consider right now. So yes, they give us a small rebound, but this is not a rebound like on weekly chart or monthly chart. The tendency is still going down, and I would like to remind you this level of support that I showed you last month and during the January. This level of support, which was important for me and which is around 101 area, because this is the level of support on the Shimoku Cloud that I usually use to trade. Okay, so here is some good support, but if they break the support, or when they break the support, American dollar will go down to 96 area. Maybe in February, maybe in March, but under this area, under 101.30 area. We go on 4-hour chart. Oh, first we go on 1-hour chart. I told you, you have to watch the 200 moving average on 1-hour chart. You can check my previous video and you'll find this information. So after market breaks this 100 moving average, what did they do? They break, they retest, And after that, price goes high. So I paid attention not 2 days ago, not 5 days ago, but yesterday, or like in my previous video, because look, market stopped here. Market gave us a range. And price came really close to this 200 moving average. And this is the period when we have to expect, are they gonna break it? If they break it, where do they go? They go to next 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. So you check 200 moving average on 1-hour chart. If they break it, your next target 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. Also, what we can take is a Fibonacci extension, and it will work for us like this. So the level of resistance is 102.60, 102.70, and it's not close to the 200 moving average. Does it mean that they're not going to reach this level of resistance? No, it doesn't mean that. Because market may reach this level of resistance, give us a rebound, and from second try, they will reach this level of resistance. So this idea is good to buy American dollar index until what? Until price is being above 200 moving average on 1-hour chart. If they break it back, we quit long positions for American dollar and we buy gold, we buy silver, we buy euro, okay? Okay, what's up with the euro? Let's go to euro dollar. I told you about this resistance, and right now, yes, on monthly chart they give us this rebound, but this is not a sell signal on monthly chart. On weekly chart, yes, this is the level of resistance with the Shimoku cloud. You can find this. Yeah, this is a resistance, but after they break it, they will hit 115. Only above 109, 109.50, after they hit this level of resistance, they will go to 115. But until they didn't hit it, we don't buy euro, okay? On 4-hour chart, right now, they are under this green line. What does it mean, this green line? I showed you in my previous video. This is the 200 moving average. And that's what we discussed with you. Under 105, 108.50, under this 200 moving average on 1-hour chart, you sell down to 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. But what we can do, we can also check this Fibonacci extension idea. 1, 2, 3. And that's where it goes, 107.50. So if we don't sell and hold to 107.50, something may change every minute. So what do? We check those levels. Under 108.50, we sell down to 108.20. Under 108.20, we sell down to 107.90. Under 107.90, we sell down to 107.50. Only under the level, we go step by step to our target. And we can use 15-minute chart for that, actually. So if we go to 15-minute chart, yeah, I told you about this 200 moving average, about the stochastic oscillator signal, and as well, I showed you that it is important to watch a general picture. To trade intraday because of the stochastic oscillator, it's good, but we need this general picture. That's why I show you this 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart and monthly chart and daily chart. This is what I do all the time for markets. Okay, for United States dollar with the Japanese yen, I want to pay your attention not to some movements on an Asian time or on Asian session or like on European or American session. No, stop. Pay attention to daily chart. They are in a flat. And it's not giving us opportunity to say, yeah, let's buy this currency pair. It's too early. If you check weekly chart, there is no buy signal yet. They are going into the Shimoku cloud. If they are in Shimoku cloud, we don't buy it now. The situation, the technical picture is too weak. And if they don't break it up, they will go down to 126 area. 126 is the support area on Shimoku cloud on weekly chart. For monthly chart, yeah, also this is a good support, I do believe you. But if they show us rebound from here on monthly chart and weekly chart and daily chart, yes, we'll consider it as a good support to buy this currency pair. But right now on weekly chart, they just stopped price from falling, but they didn't give us a huge rebound that we should consider as a buy signal, okay? So on 1 hour chart, today, tomorrow, it looks like a pretty boring picture right now, okay? What they may jump up to is 132, but the support where they'll go is 126. And this is something you should pay attention to, because it's too early to decide that Japanese yen will go down. It's too early to decide that it will go up, okay? Right now, they're not showing technical picture for us, technical signal. So also we should take into account, let's take gold and silver also, it's good. For gold, I showed you this support, which was important for me. That was like 1,925, and you can see that they break it right now. So yeah, on daily chart, they are breaking the support that I told you before. On 1 hour chart, they broke the support that I told you before. And due to the fact that American dollar is going up, gold is going down a little bit. Good. How far does it go down? Where should we sell to? So your current support is 1,900. Under 1,900, you may sell down to 1,870. Okay, so those are two levels that you may use to work intraday, but if you see that close price of 1 hour chart is under 1,900 and you can see shadows on the top side, this is a moment for you to sell gold more. And by the way, for those who watch my videos all the time, check this out. This is a really beautiful picture. That was resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, and they go down. So after they break it, they retest it. Well, that's what I told you for American dollar. They break it, they retest it, and they go to this tendency, okay? So right now, you know the support, you know the next target. You're welcome to trade, guys. For silver, current price is 23.14. As I told you before, what you have to pay attention to is the 23 area, because under 23, I think it's really good to sell down to 21.80. Down to 21.80, and it may happen, they may jump that far. So you have to watch this 23 area, because they're trying to break it for like 8 times. And they may do it. More prices knock into some level, it's more likely they will break it. So I hope it helped you to decide how to trade today and tomorrow, guys. And also let's take, for example, Bitcoin. Oh no, I think I should make another video for Bitcoin. Let's take DAX. I like DAX. I like it technically. Why? Because on monthly chart, there is level of resistance of 15,500, and January they didn't reach it, but in February they may reach this level of resistance, 15,500. On weekly chart, it looks like they're trying to go down, but there is no sell signal on weekly chart. And yes, it is important to understand. On 4-hour chart and daily chart for my traders, I show this area. Like, it is a strong area where they may stop going up, and they did it. They stopped going up. But this is not a moment for us to sell, because more important is to hit 15,500. And only after that, after they give you a rebound from this area, you may sell. So you need a signal from 15,500 before you sell. And for 1 hour chart, yes, they are near the 200 moving average. After they break 200 moving average on 1 hour chart, and they don't show you shadows on the bottom side, but shadows on the top side. So we need price to be under 200 moving average on 1 hour chart. We need shadows on the top side on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. And your target goes here. It's like 14,760. 14,760. I'm gonna trade it. So what I'm waiting for, 2 moments. Either they jump up to 15,500, either they break the support, they show me shadows on the top side and the close price is under the level, and I sell it down to 14,700. So yeah, I hope it's gonna work for us, and you are welcome to ask me more questions under the video. I hope that you like what I do. Press thumbs up, and of course, do you know that I have a Telegram channel? You're welcome to join my Telegram channel. Information is under the video. And yeah, I think I should make some videos like Bitcoin today. If you trade crypto, this will help you also to decide technically what to do. Bye bye, stay with me.